Today's DIY project is on my Porter Cable 150 psi 6-gallon pancake compressor. What happens is it doesn't shut off at 150 psi, it just keeps going. And it goes to its max, which is 160, and then it blows the safety pressure relief valve, which means that the regulator, or the pressure switch, isn't working. So I had to order a pressure switch, which we will be replacing today. So I will show you that when I turn this on, it will not shut off the tank, it will just keep going until the relief valve blows. So we'll see here. So that's that. Now I will show you how to replace the switch. Just take the two screws out to take the handle off, so we can get this housing off, because that's in two pieces. There are two inside the handle here. There's one down here. One down here at the bottom. Also have to take this piece off. And there's a little screw right here. Take off. And another one right here in the front. And that allows this whole housing to push to one side and then pop off. Wires, this yellow one. There's a red one in the back, the black one, and the green and the white. Stay on, because that goes to the power cord. The one to the pressure switch. There's a yellow one and a red one. And there's a little screw back here. And you have to take this hose off. Break that band off. So you're going to get rid of this hose anyway, so you can cut it off if you need. Pop that hose off. And you can pull the old pressure switch off. Put on the new one, which comes with a new band. Shove the hose back through, attach the screw back on. Back here. Rehook back up your red wire. Looks like the black wire fell off. A couple of these little squares that go on these little pieces. Yellow wire. Another rubber boot on the back. There's a little square piece right back in here that lines up with the back motor. So it's like putting together a puzzle. Cord goes in that little hole. That hose lines up with that. Line these pieces back up in here. A couple more in the front. Back in place. These screws back in. Back in the handle. Handle back on. And we just have to put this back on. Gauge cap back on. And we should be good to go. Now is the moment of truth. Plug it in. Make sure we are roadworthy. There we have it. It's a functioning compressor again. So $20 part saved me about another $300 worth of buying a new compressor. So that's that. Give it a like, follow for more. Have a groovy.